Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Sessions Judge, after appreciating all the evidences and submissions made by the public prosecutor and defense counsel, convicted and sentenced appellants as has been referred herein above. Stop. Aggrieved by the judgment and sentenced accused appellants preferred the present appeal. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellants as submitted that the appellants have wrongly been convicted. Stop. The FIR lodged by complainant is anti-timed. Place of occurrence has been changed. Stop. Witnesses of prosecution who adduced their oral statement as witnesses of fact are not trustworthy. Stop. There are contradictions in their statement. Investigating officer has recorded the statement of witnesses with inordinate delay. Stop. The position of accused person and places from where witnesses have been, the occurrence has not been shown in sight plan. Stop. The witness who was named in FIR has not been produced. Stop. There is no FSL report regarding the blood-stained soul. Stop. Police has not recovered all the weapons as mentioned in FIR. Motive for offense has not been proved. Stop. Prosecution has failed to prove his case against appellants beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. The judgment of trial court is against the principles of law. Stop. Appellants are entitled to be acquitted. Stop. Para. Per contra, learned counsel for the complainant and learned AGA has replied that accused persons have committed the offense of murder with pre-planning. Stop. It was daylight murder. Stop. The occurrence has been witnessed by eyewitnesses. Stop. The statement of eyewitnesses is well supported by medical evidence. Stop. Witnesses of prosecution are reliable and trustworthy. Stop. The weapons used in occurrence have been recovered on the pointing out of accused appellants. Stop. Motive of offense is proved. FIR is prompt. There is no proof of anti-time FIR. Stop. If there is any defect in investigation, it does not affect the prosecution case adversely, particularly in the light of cogent and trustworthy evidence. Stop. There is no substantial contradiction is testimony of eyewitnesses. Stop. Common object of accused persons appellants is proved. Stop. The appellants have rightly been convicted by the learned sessions judge. Stop. Prosecution has proved his case against appellants beyond reasonable doubt. Stop. Order of sessions judge does not suffer from any illegality or infirmity. Stop. The appeal is liable to be dismissed. Stop. Para. We have considered the rival submissions advanced by learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. Stop. In first information report, date and time of occurrence has been shown as 12/04/1994 at 7:15 am, whereas the FIR has been lodged on same day at 9:30 am. Stop. The distance of police station from the place of occurrence has been shown as 19 kilometers. Stop. The complainant is Ram Gopal Sharma, PW1, and scriber of is Ashok Kumar Sharma. Deceased was son of complainant. Stop. In his oral statement, complainant mentioned at page 7 that after the occurrence he stayed there for 45 minutes. Stop. Further, at page 6, he has mentioned that for lodging the FIR, he had gone by his own tractor. Stop. The way by which went for police station takes 1 hour to reach police station. Witness PW1 has further stated in his evidence at page 5 that he got written the application for FIR at by Ashok Kumar. Stop. He met him at bus stand. Stop. The paper was given by Ashok Kumar as he was ever in law practice and due to the reason he preferred to get written by him. Stop. At present, Ashok Kumar is not doing practice. Stop. Accordingly, conclusion arrives that after occurrence which took place at 7:15 am, complainant moved from the place of occurrence by 8 am for lodging FIR. Stop. He took 1 hour reach at police station and in the meantime few 12 to 20 minutes would have been consumed in drafting of application. Stop. As it has been stated by witness PW1 in his evidence. Hence, if the FIR of the occurrence has been lodged at 9:30 am, then in that case it cannot be said that FIR has been lodged with any inordinate delay. Stop.